So one point perspective. Let him start one point perspective. First draw the horizontal line and vertical line. Where is the intersecting point? That is called vanishing point, VP. Then horizontal line, HL. Okay, this is HL. Then I draw here one box. The one box width part will parallel to the high level, height will parallel to the vertical line. So same thing I draw here above horizontal line, on horizontal line, below horizontal line. So faces I done here. After that, vertices, whatever the faces and vertices will get, 4 vertices. The 4 vertices I connect to VP. So I'll connect here red line. I connected to VP to the vertices. So totally I'll get the depth part. Where is how much depth you require? Based on that box depth I draw here freehandly. So first fundamentally I draw freehand. So I prefer freehand first. You'll learn the fundamental of perspective in the freehand. Then you can use geometrical equipments. Based on the geometrical equipments, you can more preferably, means specifically you can size, depth, everything you can draw. That is engineering kind of diagrams you can draw. Every artist need a engineering drawing sense. Okay, so continue the same part. The vertices you connect to VP. So I done it here above horizontal line, below horizontal line, on the horizontal line. So I 9 different positions I done. Whatever the reference lines will be there, I'll be dark. You guys will be understanding one point perspective, right? Once again I'll tell you easy to understanding of one point perspective. Object width angle parallel to the HL. Height will be parallel to the vertical line. All the vertices will be meet to one single vanishing point. That is called one point perspective. Hopefully you guys will be understanding one point perspective. In next video I teach you how detail you can draw in freehand in one point perspective. Okay, you will watch next video. Thank you.